Welcome to BGR Commerce Hub. My name is Santosh. So I'm a practicing chartered accountant in Hyderabad. I'm a SAP certified consultant. ATI course. ATI course means Accounting and Taxation Industrial course. The main intention of the ATI course to enable the BCom and MBA graduates to make ready to the jobs by providing practical training in the field of finance, accounts and taxation. ATI course is mainly designed to freshers and up to 7 years experience candidates. ATI course main intention providing practical training, industrial oriented training. Industrial oriented training means whatever the changes are going to happen in the industry, we have to adopt as an accountant or a taxation as a finance graduate. Suppose some changes had came in the GST in the industry, that changes we have to incorporate into your syllabus and even to your day-to-day life. That is the meaning of industrial course. In this ATI course, we are going to cover basics of accounting, Tally Prime, GST, TDS, Provident Fund, ESI, Professional Tax, Payroll Configuration, Salary Statements, Working Knowledge on Excel and MS Word. This course is suitable from freshers to up to 7 years experience candidates. This is totally live projecting course. Live project course. Live project course means lively you have to file GST returns from GSTR 1 to GSTR 9, TDS returns 24Q, 26Q, Provident Fund returns, ESI returns, PT returns. This is totally live projected course. So take ATI course in BGR Commerce Hub. Settle your life as an accountant or taxation or finance person. After completing the course, job profiles, job roles, you can expect accounts executive role, taxation executive, finance executive, assistant manager accounts, finance manager accounts, taxation manager accounts, HR manager also you are suitable. These are the job roles you can expect after completing the course. When come to salary package, how much salary you can expect? As a fresher, you can expect 12 to 15,000 you can expect as a BCom or MBA fresher. If you are having a 2 to 4 years experience, you can expect 15 to 30,000 between you can expect. If you are a 4 to 6 years or 7 years experience candidate, you can expect 30 to 50,000 between you can expect. Sir, what type of industries we can expect? What type of industries we are going to place? Here we are going to cover Indian companies, MNC companies, chartered accountant firms, mainly Indian structure, Indian economy. You are going to implement GST, you are going to implement TDS concepts. How the interview process will be there? First, in our institute, we will conduct 2 demo interviews. 2 demo interviews will be conducted. Your knowledge is tested here itself. After your knowledge is tested, we will send to the interviews directly to the companies. There you have to face the interview. You have to select officially. It is not any background process. It is total official process. Before sending to the interviews to the companies, we will conduct 2 demo interviews. We will conduct testing knowledge, technical person. We will send to the company. Next, who are eligible for this course? MBA or BCom freshers can eligible for this course. Up to 7 years experience accountants can also eligible for this course. Job Jobs. When come to jobs, Indian companies and MNC companies and chartered accountants, big five companies, big four companies also you can expect. Course duration. Course duration will be 2.5 months, 2.5 months. Course fees will be 15,000. This is the total brief about ATI course. So advantage is it is industry oriented course, live oriented course, practical oriented course. So you can contact in office for further inquiries in BGR Commerce Hub. Thanking you.